the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. Get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag. Moolah.
What the business is, YBN? It's your boy Jay Moolah, and I'm back with another little banger, you hear me? As you can see by the title of this video, today we better go down, you hear me? Hey, y'all see where we at? Y'all see we outside. Y'all niggas scared to come outside. You hear me? Hey, man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe, man. Hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? And if you're new to the channel, learn the motto. We gon' keep getting lit, we gon' keep cutting up, and we gon' keep going dumb, yeah? Yeah, you know. Moolah. What the business is, YBN? As you can see, your boy, you know what I'm saying? Starting my morning, you know. Gotta brush my teeth, you know what I'm saying? We about to, you know what I'm saying, get this good old vacation started. You did? Yeah, man. I'm just now waking up. You know, we about to hit the road, head to where we going? Australia. Now we finna go to Arlington to Six Flags, you hear me? Hurricane Harbor. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it's finna get lit. Yeah, you know. Moolah. Yeah, you see, I'm vacation ready.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
About to hit this old road to Arlington, you know what I'm saying? And you know it's finna get lit. You did? Yeah. I ain't been asleep nothing but about 2 hours, you know, and they want me to drive. Pray the Lord be with us on this long drive. It is. But yeah, you know, y'all keep rocking with your boy, man. Cause we gonna keep getting lit. We gonna keep cutting up. And we gonna keep going dumb, you heard me? Yeah, you know. Moolah.
I got the music with the thorn in your face. Inside this box, outside got keys. How you live without this trail, yeah. Or they bitch take the chill pill. The running your mouth, love this shit so bad. You and that funk. Flying artist, you still local as fuck. Do I sound focus or what? Make just check out the cut. I'm feeling gone here, retired. This is May 21, and the dollars can keep out, and the powders can keep pouting. Bad bitches keep shouting. Yeah, nigga, just hold it down, cause it ain't gonna be long. Just keep on being strong. Take a picture of my motherfucking arm. Nigga, my wrist so cold, and my neck is too cold. Yeah, I know. You gotta stay little booing with them lips. She get loose. Yeah, I know. I'm the truth. Who the fuck are you? I ain't getting loose to the roof. Bitch, I'm to the roof. I ain't doing too. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck. Yeah, she know it's good. Hit the floor and twerk it like she know it's good. She dance like she know it's good. Stand like she know it's good. Gotta sneak away from home, man, like she know it's good. Your mama work it like she know it's good. Hit the floor and twerk it like she know it's good. She dance like she know it's good. Stand like she.
Hey, hit him up again, Lisa. Hit him up.
Where my Papa Bear?
Alright, the game, man. As you can see, man, we wrapping things up. Got the fam. Y'all see we out here, man. She told me I trying to get a booty shot. Auntie be cutting up.
Come on.
But yeah, man, next time, man, I come out to the water park, nigga gonna have to bring a GoPro. I ain't putting my fucking phone in the water. That shit dead. So, finna wrap this shit up, man. Finna go check in at the hotel. Shit, it's gonna be lit. This nigga here trying to take the people. You can't take that home. You can't bring this home. That ain't for you. Look at him. Look how he act. Look how he act. Chill. All lit.
Come on.
Swim time. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, look at him. Yeah, look at him. Cry baby. Look at that cry baby. Yeah, man. Look at him. Here go. All that crying. Here go. Doing all that crying. Why you crying, man? Get your butt out of here. Look at him. All that crying out here. Look at him. Showing out. Look at him. Showing out. Look at him. Look at all these people looking at you. Showing out. What? Come on here. You out here showing out. You tripping, man. But yeah, man, we finna head back to the room. As y'all can see, look at he's still back there cutting up. Fun time over with, man. So, hey, what Jay said? What Jay? Oh, there she go. Say, cuz. That's my nigga. That's my thugger.
Phone them.
Yeah, you see what's going on. Fuck with that, I'ma fuck over you. That got my other, yeah.
I lost my debit card and my ID.
Looking at face ass. Ooh, that's that hurt. 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 Hold it real quick. I guess I'ma hold it real quick. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who bad this for, but it's for me right now. You know what I'm saying? And we out here. 5150. The park closed. Hey, I'm going down. Like, that gotta give me a GoPro. See, now I know, now I know. So, next time, man, when we come out here, bringing the GoPro out on. Yeah. But today was lit, though, man. I had fun. Shit, I got on some big-ass rides. Some big-ass rides. Yeah, we was out there.
He talking about scared me.
Who the fuck talking to me? I don't know. Let me see that thing. Oh, that's auntie. I thought you was a stranger. I was for to kiss you, girl. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hey. Hey, man, we out here, man. We lit, you hear me? We out here. You see, man, my niggas, we out here, man. We still. It's lit, man. It's still lit. I don't know what we at this, how you say early too? Yeah, we out here. They done called the people out here. They heard I was out here. See, I gotta go back to the room. They heard I was out here. I gotta go, I gotta go get back in the cut. Man, nigga punk, all that crying.
Don't start that shit, okay?
That's a nut. Don't start. That's a nut. We ain't playing that shit. We ain't.
Now you want to get the huffing and puffing after this.
You better vlog. You better fix your face.
You better.
You vlogging the ground.
Hi.
You vlogging the ground. You gotta look at the camera. You ain't even put it up. There you go. Now you vlogging you.
Can you see me?
Now you vlogging you. There you go.
So we are at
Let them know where we at.
Flags. We're at Six Flags. We rode all the rides. We rode that big slide over there. And now it's time to go because they close at 7, almost about 7. So we have to go.
We about to head to the room, man. Y'all keep rocking with your boy, you heard me? Because it's going to keep getting lit. We're going to keep cutting up, and we're going to keep going dumb, you heard me? Yeah, you know. Moolah. We back. Out in the parking lot. Yeah, man. The next time I come out here, man, I'm going to have me a GoPro, man. Because I really didn't get to shoot nothing. You know, I ain't get to shoot nothing. Too much water. Can't vlog in no water park with your phone. You gotta get your GoPro. But man, it was lit though. It was real lit. Got Junior in the cut. Y'all see it. Yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Famo, let y'all see what we were. We got on that. That bit that was pressure. That bit that was pressure. We had boo-boo fun on that bit. So yeah, we got on that one. That bit that pressure. Y'all don't know nothing about that one. That bit that. Yeah, that bit that was pressure too. I ain't gonna lie. We had so much fun. I had so much fun. I enjoyed myself. I had a great time. You know, out here on this vacation, I had a wonderful time. Now it's time to go get full of that Zaza. I'm smoking this Zaza. Your nigga came up from Dada. You heard me? I gotta go get on that good gas. Y'all see the stadium? Yeah, y'all see it. We real deal outside. We outside. Y'all niggas playing, we outside. This ride right here, that bill fire. That bill fire. I rode that bit 2-3 times. That's how fire that bit was. Look at this guy. My dog on feet. I know them bitches probably wet. My feet so wet. I know they are. Oh boy, I thought you had some drink in that bit. Oh, you had some drink in that bit. You did. But yeah, man. Oh, it's lit. But for the get in the car and drive over to the room that I'm gonna be staying in for the night, man. Y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to your boy channel if you're new, you heard me. Till then, keep rocking with your boy. Moolah. Alright, gang, your boy done made it to the room, man. This mud is so lit. Oh, it's lit. We lit, son. Yeah. Tell them people stop playing. Yeah. Yeah, y'all see it? Yeah, tell them people stop playing, man. We lit. Yeah, man. Hey, man, y'all hit that like button, man. Make sure you subscribe to your boy channel, man. It's litty. As y'all see, your boy got the best view. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, check them out. Yeah, we going dog. Yeah, y'all see? Yeah, we lit.
Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Moolah.
I gonna jog that. Yeah. Yeah, this is what we smoking. Good side, good side. Nobody give a fuck about that attitude, man. We on vacation, you heard me? Hey, man, keep all them bad vibes, all them bad energies away from me. You know what I'm saying? You dig? Get in. Get in.
Damn.
Yeah.
Do anything. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Down. 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 Down.
Go.
Down.
Let me do maybe my hands over my back.
Turn up. Turn up. Hey. 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 I'm telling y'all, hit that like button. Subscribe to your boy channel, man. We lit. Hey. 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 Ooh. Ooh. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Bow, bow, bow. Ooh, hey, hey. Fuck on my big brother. Fuck on my big brother. Fuck on my big brother. Ooh, fuck on my big brother. Fuck on my big brother. Ooh, fuck on my big brother. Ooh, fuck on my. Hit the sweet, hit the sweet, hit the. Ooh, damn.
Now move out the way.
Ooh, oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Turn up. Ooh, ooh. What you doing now? Oh, what you doing now? Oh, what you doing? Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, what you doing? Yeah. Ooh, what you? Ooh, ooh. Shout out Big Cuzzo. Oh, hold on. That's that. Hold up. See it?
Work it slow.
Oh.
Now go.
Hold up.
Look it up, Bobby.
What'd you tell him? What the business is, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. You heard me? Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm locked and loaded. Dog, yeah. Moolah. See what's going on. Probably now. Y'all stay tuned until tomorrow. You know, hit that like button, subscribe. We back. Part 2, day 2. You know what I'm saying? I'm out in Arlington with it. You see the drip. You know what I'm saying? Got my nigga Lou up in the cut. Yeah. But yeah, we out here. They fighting out here. My nigga Lou up in the cut. My nigga, hey, tell him I had to pull up on my dog, man. He say I don't be fucking with him, you heard me? I had up. Hey, I dipped to the city, yeah.
Had to come through.
You know what I'm saying?
Come through.
Yeah, we out here. Let them know we out here, man. But yeah, man, we finna get this day started, you heard me? Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you did, you know. But other than that, man, keep rocking with your boy, you heard me? Because we gonna keep getting lit, we gonna keep cutting up, and we gonna keep going down, you heard me? Yeah, you know, Moolah. Oh, duck ass. Oh, clown's ass.
Nigga slipped on the cocaine, cuz. She went sliding on that bitch.
On some Mario Kart shit. Hey man, one of your
Hey, all you needed was ass.
y'all see the vibes,
Man,
man.
y'all know the vibe, man. Family vacay time, man. You know what it is, man. The boy Go DJ Teddy B, bro. We out here. We done took over another goddamn city.
As-
City to city, man.
City to city, titty to titty.
That's how we doing it, man. Ain't no telling what we gonna pop up next. You heard me?
Stop playing with him.
Yeah,
Ain't no telling what we gonna pop up next, you know what I'm saying?
might be in your city.
Woo, look for us.
You did.
Come in your city, see which one we going to.
Hey, drop your city down below if you want a nigga to pull up to your city. You heard? Tell them drop down below. We'll pull up to your city. Drop your city down below. We pulling up. We taking over.
You did.
Hey, from the family time to the night time, bro. Whatever y'all wanna do.
However you want to play it.
How you wanna do it?
Yeah.
How you wanna do it?
Turn up. How you wanna? Hey. 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 Hey.
I be trying to tell them, man, we really lit like that, you hear me? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to your boy channel, you hear me? Because you already know we gon' keep getting lit, keep cutting up, and we gon' keep going dumb, you hear me? Yeah, you know. Niggas in this bed, you know what I'm saying? In the mall right now, Little Grim Reaper. Who be out? I don't know what rapper be in the Woodlands. But I'm in the Woodlands, Jay Moolah in the Woodlands. Yeah. Yeah, we in the Woodlands. Hey, in the next year or so, I ain't gonna be able to walk through the mall like this, on God. But yeah, we lit. Got the fam. Headed back. Just had to make a quick little, you know, pick stop at the mall, see what was going down.
From here.
You did. Y'all, stay tuned. You did. Keep rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going to keep getting lit. We're going to keep cutting up. And we're going to keep going dumb. You heard me? Yeah. You know. He would not stop cutting up unless I let him come ride the freaking elevator. I'm talking about elevator, escalator. Look at him. Turned up. I don't do too funs and rides no more. I'm getting old. That shit have me paranoid. I don't do fun with it. Come on, let's go around. Come on, let's go down. Let's go ride down. No, it ain't. I'm gonna get you one. I'm gonna get you one. Don't trip. Don't slip, cause the flow ain't wet. Don't trip, don't slip, cause the flow ain't wet. You did? You heard me? Hold up. Check them out, y'all. Hold up. Whoa. Whoa, man, they did that thing. Check them out, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. It's only gonna get lit on Moolah. Oh, they been lit. Yes, sir. They been lit.
They got a little Ferris wheel.
What?
What's it called? The little thing.
Oh yeah. We on the food court. That's what they be eating. Go to the motherfucking Great Ward. Get a better look at this eagle. Cause it's fire. The eagle fire.
You know how they give you samples?
Yeah.
You do a little vlog tasting all the samples.
Oh God. I done tasted everybody something. Hit the like button. Subscribe to your boy channel. Oh, they got a whole little shindig over there. You said a Ferris wheel. It's not a Ferris wheel. Crazy. Hey, yeah, man. We lit. And it's going down.
I'm a dog, 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 I'm a dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, feed her like a dog, beat her like a dog, yeah, pass her to my dogs. I'm a dog, 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 I'm a dog. Treat her like a dog, feed her like a dog, beat her like a dog, yeah, pass her to my dogs. I'm a dog, very dumb, and my girlfriend 21.
Alright, your gang, man, that's the end of today's video. You dig? I done made it back to the H. You know what I'm saying? So look, make sure you hit that like button, you hear me? Make sure you subscribe to your boy channel, you know what I'm saying? And keep rocking with your boy, you hear me? Cause we gonna keep getting lit, we gonna keep cutting up, and we gonna keep going dumb, you hear me? Yeah, you know. Moolah.
We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag, moolah. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. We stack it, we flip it, we run it up, yeah, we count every bag. We chasing the moolah, we chasing the moolah, we get to the cash, get to the money. I done turned up for a check, I done turned up for a bag, moolah.